Okay, so today we're going to be doing macOS Catalina on a virtual machine because people have Windows and they can't install Catalina. So, necessary things are ingredients for this cookie recipe named macOS Catalina. Virtualbox. It's available on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Solaris. Virtualbox extension pack, also provided by them. It's supported on every platform that supports Virtualbox. WinRAR. Here we are. So I already have WinRAR. The goal of being required here is you'll need this to extract the virtual image, which is compressed in a RAR file. And then you'll need this virtual VMDK. It's the virtual image for this macOS Catalina on there. So I've already downloaded this, but you might need to do this. And then we have the VirtualBox and the extension pack. That's how you extract it. And then let's get into this. So VirtualBox, new. Mac. Next. Quite a bit of RAM. Use an existing virtual hard disk because if I open this, downloads, Catalina, this is our virtual disk image. And choose that, and we'll create our VirtualBox. And now, we don't start it just yet. You see, now we need our customization. So now we do this and select floppy. I don't believe we need to do PIX 9, 8. We might need to do that at some point, but you need to select at least, I'm going to do 3, but the minimum is 2. Display. I believe you have to set that to 128 actually. And then for USB, you have to set this to this. Click OK. So here is our stuff. And then you'll want to quit our VirtualBox. And then command prompt it is. So Windows command prompt. And then here, what is this? Okay. So I do it as an admin because I've seen before you do it as an admin normally, so because these commands may need, but where it says your VM name, you need to put your VM, and it has to be exactly the same. I called my Mac with a capital M, so I'm going to do that. And then same goes. And you don't need to remove those quotation marks. And if you have like just a blank space, that means it went through without any errors and that you are good. So you need to put in your VM name because, so call it something simple like Mac or something. So which one were we on? It was the 1.0 that we just did. The DMI system version, okay. So select this one. So if it doesn't give you anything, that means you're good. Normally that means a failure if it doesn't give you anything. It doesn't mean it's not good if it doesn't give you anything normally, but here it's a good thing. So and I always found that Mac, like the bong sound, useful when you were debugging, because if you were fixing something, so if you booted up your the Mac and you heard that tone, you knew that the system was intact, but maybe your screen was, I don't know, burned out or something. So now that we have done that, we'll exit the terminal, launch the Virtualbox, and start. And here we go again. Oh, what happened here? Okay, I think I pre-did that here. Now we await. And yeah, I think this is normal. It's doing something. It's giving us errors. Some errors, but hopefully it'll boot us into a working system. And when I say hopefully, I mean hopefully. But if it didn't work for me, then it probably won't work for you. But here we go. Please work. Cross my fingers. Oh! Okay, that's a pretty fast loading Apple symbol, but... Okay, we got Spinny Wheel of Death. It's good that it at least loaded macOS, I guess. macOS recovery environment, that's noted. But you can see that it's booting macOS because the cursor is different, you see? You compare the two cursors. Okay. We await. Nothing. It almost looks like... Yeah. Spinny Wheel of Death. Maybe it's just trying to start the Catalina installer. But at least that we got to the macOS recovery environment somewhat is good. Please boot the installer. Oh, was that like verifying something? That's good. We have pop-ups. Yeah, it's definitely trying to boot the installer. Okay. Oh. Okay, so let's just select my region. Canada's. Continue. Sure, I accept the data. Don't transfer any information now. I'll set it up later. I'll skip it. I agree. Create a user account. Well, Virtualbox. I'll just say, man, it's not gonna let me do this. Okay, so I'm just setting my password to Virtualbox. Hit enter. Continue. Oh my god. VBox. Yeah, I'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, so it's creating my account. Okay, express setup. Sure. Sure. I'll set that up later. I like the dark mode. Continue. Dun, 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 and hopefully it boots us into a working system. Ah, here. You might see this. Press the key immediately to the right of the shift key on the left side of the key. That's a mouthful, but I'm gonna say it. Push C. On the left of the shift key, of this shift key. It's the US. So here you can choose your keyboard, and then you are booted into a working operating system. So you can log yourself out. You can log back in, but that's pretty much it for your you have system preferences, and you can set up pretty much everything that you could on a regular Mac. Except CDs and DVDs. Huh. I don't know. But anyways, that's... You have our friend Spotlight Search. Wow! Oh. Okay, yeah. There's whatever you want. So, what you gonna do with your new macOS Catalina on Windows? I'm gonna shut down. Shut down macOS Catalina. It's running. Running. Is it now? Did I give it the shutdown signal? Shutdown signal. Maybe it just takes a really long time to shut down. Okay. But anyways, you get the point. Now we have a Mac virtual machine.